have this power, but I don't know where it came from.
I had no idea I would ever get to do something like this.
I was over the moon when I found out who else was going to be in this film.
It's like being invited to a party and you know you're in good company.
Actors like to play in the Marvel Studios sandbox.
We made you one of us.
They understand the excitement is there, the drama is there, the humor is in there.
They've been able to find really great directors who are focused on story.
It was so fun to cast this movie.
Ben Mendelsohn, Lashana Lynch,
Jude Law.
Annette Bening, hello. Total legend.
Watching Sam Jackson is just, you know, a masterclass in itself.
Prove you're not a Skrull.
They are an incredible group of actors who are really passionate about this movie and brought it to life in a great way.
Try to keep up.